Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll tackle one of the trickiest aspects of English, when to use the and, more importantly, when to leave it out. Even advanced English learners sometimes make mistakes with articles, but by the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when the is needed and when to skip it. Let's get started. Everyday activities, know the. Let's start with everyday places and activities. We often leave out the when describing regular activities. I go to school every day. She's at work. He goes to bed at 10 p.m. They go to church on Sundays. Rule, know the with school, work, church, class, bed, prison, or jail when referring to regular activities. But the school is on the corner. Here, we mean the building. The church is beautiful. The jail is overcrowded. Mini quiz, which is correct? A. I'm going to the work. B. I'm going to work. Correct answer, B. I'm going to work. Physical locations, use the. When talking about the actual, specific location or building, we use the. The school was closed today. The bed is so comfortable. The prison is far away. So, activity, know that you place, use the. American and British English, hospital. Here's a difference that trips up many learners. American English, she is in the hospital. Meaning she is a patient. British English, she is in hospital. Same meaning. Mini quiz, which one is American English? A. He's in hospital. B. He's in the hospital. Correct answer, B. He's in the hospital. Musical instruments. When talking about playing an instrument, always use the. I play the guitar. He is learning the piano. But she bought a violin. Here, we are not talking about playing, but about the object itself. Mini quiz, A. I play guitar. B. I play the guitar. Correct answer, B. I play the guitar. Places, lakes, rivers, and mountains. Let's talk about nature. Know the 4 lakes and single mountains, Lake Tahoe, Lake Victoria, Mount Everest, Mount Fuji. But use the 4 rivers, the Amazon River, the Nile, the Mississippi. Mini quiz, which is correct? A. I visited the Lake Tahoe. B. I visited Lake Tahoe. Correct answer, B. I visited Lake Tahoe. Countries and plural names. Know the 4 most country names. I visited Japan. Use the 4 countries with plural or political group names. The United Kingdom. The United States. The Netherlands. The Philippines. Mini quiz, A. She went to the France. B. She went to France. Correct answer, B. She went to France. Universities and schools. Know the 4 most schools and universities. She graduated from Oxford University. Use the when of is in the name. The University of California, the University of Toronto. Mini quiz, A. He studies at the Harvard University. B. He studies at Harvard University. Correct answer, B. He studies at Harvard University. Time expressions. Know the with next/last for times from now. I'll see you next week. We met last night. Use the with next/last when describing another time in the past/future. He arrived the next day. She left the last week of July. Mini quiz, A. I will travel the next week. B. I will travel next week. Correct answer, B. I will travel next week. Dates and ordinal numbers. Use the when the day comes before the month, the 4th of July, the 1st of January. Know that if the month comes first, July 4th, January 1st. Ordinal numbers, always use the third floor, the first time. Mini quiz, A. Her birthday is on May 6th. B. Her birthday is on the 6th of May. Correct answer, both are correct, but only use the 6th of May. Review and practice quiz. Let's do a final quick review. I'm going to the bed now. Know the. I met my friend at the work. Know the. I saw the Mount Fuji. Know the. He plays the drums. Use the. She's in the hospital, British English. Know the. How did you do? If you got most right, great job. If not, review these rules and try making your own examples. Conclusion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, practice is key to mastering English articles. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. For more lessons, check out the links below. See you next time.